Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome back. If you've seen my channel before, please subscribe. I got some very sad news today. Early in the week, we did lose Buddy. He started filling it with water, couldn't walk no more. I started pressing against his heart, and then he started to suffer. And that's the one thing out of this whole thing, I said I would keep going. Once he started to suffer, that's when I would make the call, because I do not want him to suffer. So I made the call, and I'm not gonna lie, it's one of the most hardest decisions I ever made in my life. But I gave him a good life. He had a good life. He had a lot of love. He is with me right now. As you can see, we had him cremated. Here's his collar. He's gonna go everywhere with me. He did start this Fabulous 40 challenge and the Fire Tower challenge with me. So, and he will finish them. So what I'm gonna do is, so I had him cremated. I haven't took any of it out yet, but I'm gonna hike up to the top, and after every hike, I'm gonna go to the top and I'm gonna sprinkle a little of his ashes at the top, because that's where he wanted. He loved the Adirondacks. He loved hiking. He's been doing it since he was a little puppy. And today we're at Panther Mountain. It's up by Pasico, and I think that would be a good start because that's his first hike when he's a puppy. So I thought it'd be a good start. So I have a cross coming in, a gold cross that you can put the ashes in. So I'll have that around my neck, and I'll say Buddy on it. So when I get to the top or anywhere where this challenge is, I'm gonna sprinkle it. And that's what he would want. He was part of the Adirondacks. He loved it up here. So that being said, let's do it in memory of Buddy. All right, howdy baby. All right, buddy, you ready? Let's go. You ready? Ready? Let's go, bud. Let's go, bud. So we got blue. Nice. All right, let's go. I remember getting him, picking him up in Syracuse, and we had to pick between him and his brother, and I held him, and I know he was just the one. Stubborn guy though, pretty crazy. He had that shark fin on the back of his head. So I remember hiking Panther Mountain with Buddy's first hike, like it was yesterday. He loved it. Put him out, he was like 5 months old. He would conquer big rocks, big boulders like it was nothing, and nothing would stop him. At that point, I knew he was a hiker. I remember one time he got into a porcupine. All of a sudden I let him out because I had some land from my last house, so you could just let him out, and he come back in, his whole face was covered with quills. I'm like, oh my god. So they were in his tongue, his lips, everywhere. So we brought him to the vet, and we had to actually put him, sedate him, because he wasn't having it after like the 10th one pulling out. And as we're pulling him out with the vet, she goes, make sure that the porcupine's not around when you let him out. And I said, oh no, we don't have to worry about it because he killed it. She said, what? He killed it? I said, yeah, he killed it. Because that's the first time I heard of a dog killing a porcupine after getting hit with it. I said, yeah, he's very stubborn. I remember it didn't matter what was going on in my life, how I was doing, what kind of day I was having. I remember going home every day and seeing him, and his little nubby would be going a mile a minute. I'm gonna miss that a lot. I remember every time I would go get ready for a hike, he would know something was up. I grabbed the book bag, he knew something was up. And that was like his time, like he loved hiking. So I would grab my pack, he'd be getting ready, he'd be seeing what's going on. And then I'd say, buddy, do you want to go for a hike? And he would jump and jump and jump. And little nubby would go a mile a minute. Oh my god, do I miss that. So if I could pick 3 things in life that Buddy loved, that would be hiking, kids, and peanut butter. He used to drool when he seen peanut butter. He also, anywhere we went where there was water, a river, a pond, a lake, sure enough, Buddy'd be right in there swimming. He loved swimming. Alright, buddy, you want to take a swim? Come over here. Over here. Over here. I'll show you Nicole that Buddy does swim. Down here. Go. Down here. Feel good about this? Yeah. They say that they'll give you the look when it's time for it to go. And Buddy did give me that look when he was laying there and he couldn't move. He gave me that look and I knew that it was time to let Buddy go. Make your top.